In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the washer fluid for your Honda Civic 2011. So all you have to do is first open the front bonnet. Alright, you can lift it up. And over here you will see this windscreen sign with the blue lid on it. You can just open the lid. This is very simple, but some people have not a lot of idea about cars, so this is basically for them. So all you have to do is get the washer fluid and just fill it up to the top. Alright, the fluid I'm using today is minus 20 degree washer fluid. So this is the one that's good for this area, this place, according to the weather. So that's the one. If you have like a funnel, good, but if you don't, it's okay. Alright, when it's filled up all the way, you can wait like a few seconds so you can see exactly the what the top level is. You can just close the lid after that, and that's pretty much it. You make sure you close the bonnet and watch your fingers for safety. You need to see if it's actually working, so I just filled up the fluid and alright, so it's good. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Peace out.